This biker was riding down the road when he spotted a kitten that was too scared to move.
Wait.
Stop!
Non. Viens ici, toi. Viens. Petit loulou, qu'est-ce que tu fais ici? Oh.
These guys went peacefully sledding down a snowy hill using a wooden table. This person likes to go on bike rides with their dog.
Hey, 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 hey! Oh.
There's a trend where parents give bananas to their children for Christmas, but the kids don't really care. This is what it feels like to float among the clouds. This is what a digital sundial looks like. Every 20 minutes, the sun changes the time on the sundial. This dog unwrapped its own Christmas present.
Cash? Oh my goodness. What is that, Cash? Oh my... Oh my goodness. Did you get a puppy?
This person has a chubby cat that's always begging for more treats. When a beluga whale started nibbling at his feet. For some reason, the seagull didn't fly away and didn't seem to be bothered. This is a device that alerts your computer to go back to a certain screen when someone unexpectedly walks in on you. About 80 people put on a blue shirt and walked into a Best Buy store to look like an employee. The actual employees of the store were confused and weren't sure what to do.
To leave the store right now. The fact that you're in the same outfit as us, we would like to ask you to leave the store, please. Just go up the escalator, please.
Back here now. I've got to leave because I'm wearing the same clothes you're wearing?
Yes, we'd like you to leave.
Eventually, the police were called in, but since they legally can't do anything, nobody was arrested.
You can ask these people to leave, but we're not going to arrest anybody for wearing a blue polo shirt. So.
Here's a weird fish that walks on the seafloor by using legs.
This is how I double my money. Might be illegal.
This is what it looks like to light a match at a microscopic level and in slow motion.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.